Hello viewers, welcome back to Gauri Ram's kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Tondli 65. Before going to the video, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Now let's see what are the ingredients required. Take 50 grams of Tondli and cut into pieces like this. Take 2 teaspoons rice flour, 1 teaspoon chili powder, required amount of salt, turmeric powder half teaspoon, and you also need 2 teaspoon gram flour. Take a bowl, add all the ingredients together. Now mix it well. We should not add water to this because the water content in Tondli is enough for the masala to hold, but we are additionally adding 1 teaspoon oil to it and marinate it for 15 minutes. Now let's add Tondli pieces to hot oil. Now our Tondli 65 is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.